Hello there, welcome everybody. It's Diorama Don here. A bit of a morbid subject, this one. I'm going to make a hanging gallows, something that was used quite a lot during the war and also a few years afterwards. So I'm going to make it with 6mm square balsa wood, or 1/4 of an inch square balsa wood. And I've just made up a frame, just a simple frame, oblong, with 6 legs. Okay, so that will sit in the middle of the town square, if you like, there. Then I with 2mm cardboard, I cut this piece out that will sit underneath there, like that. And there are 3 windows that will open as required for the poor unsuspecting person to fall through. Okay, so that will go under there, and then I'll lay these pieces of lollipop stick or popsicle stick, just cut them into 1/4 of an inch widths, and they will act as the floorboards over the top like that. Okay, then when that's done, I can put my actual gallows over the top like that, with the 3 hanging nooses hanging down. So easy to do, not a very complicated thing, but something that would be useful for a part of a diorama or a standalone diorama, like this will be. Okay, so I'll go ahead and do all the floorboarding on the top there, and I've got where are we? I've made these steps as well that will sit on the bottom like that, with the steps on there. You get what I mean, don't you? Okay, I'll put it all together and then you'll see what I mean. Okay, so I'll be back in just 2 minutes, and well, for you, immediately. But I'll be back very soon, and we'll see what it looks like. So I've finished off my gallows, put the lollipop sticks or popsicle sticks on the top there to represent the floorboarding, and the gantry over the top with the 3 nooses, and just a very simple step system leading up there. I've just put a piece of cocktail stick there to represent the mechanism for the things to open like that. So it's all in working order. As I say, a little bit morbid for a subject, but something that you would see quite often at that time. Unfortunately, a lot of people ended their lives on one of these. So anyway, I'll put it on my usual diorama base that I tend to use for most of my dioramas these days. Thank you very much for watching this very short video. Have a go yourself if you really wanted a gallows. If not, please subscribe to the channel, and there will be different subjects coming along all the time. Something like 260 videos now, all different ideas for your dioramas. Okay, thanks again. I'll see you in the next video, and until then, I wish you, as always, the very best of happy modelling.